Hi friends! Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send bulk emails using Google Sheets, step by step. So, let's get started. First, click on the Extensions menu. Then, select App Script. Here, you can change the name of your script file. Now, this is the document where we already have the script written for you. All you need to do is copy and paste the script, just like you see in the video. In the script, we've also set a range, from where to where the emails will be sent. Column A has the client's email addresses, and column B has their names. This script also includes a sample email template with the subject line and body content. You can customize it however you like. Now, simply click on the Save button. Then, click on the Run button. It'll ask for some permissions. Just follow the steps shown in the video. After giving permissions, the script will start running. You can also see the status of the sent emails. Next, let's check the recipient's inbox. As you can see, the emails have been delivered successfully, and in a few moments, all emails will be received. The emails are arriving with the correct template and formatting, just like we set in the script. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.